Hi, Joe Cerrone with our weekly Zoom video meeting for CAD 230, Intro to Solidworks. I've extended the Module 3 deadline to Monday, July 5th. There were a few people that were asking for an extension, and with the holiday coming, there's a lot of people that have other things going on. But our plan is to cover 2 modules per week. So module 3 should be submitted to the Dropbox. If we look at the content for module 3, the exercise is to work with revolve and mirror commands to create part 3A, 3B, and 3C. And if we take a look at those, here's my 3A. I was doing a little bit of work on this revolve here. Here's 3B. And here's 3C. And so these are all exercises in how to use revolve options. Back to the main splash page or the content area. There's 2 additional assignments, 3D and 3E, which are not required, but if you do those, you will get bonus points or extra credit. The information for how to do the videos is here. There is a new volume quiz, and so we're going to be taking these module volume quizzes, and if you don't see the 2021 on it, then what I've done is I've updated the modules, the module volume quizzes. So we had a few glitches with it. Everything should be straightened out now. If you do have any difficulty taking the quizzes, let me know. Just instant message me because I need to see that from you so that I can straighten it out. Module 4 goes through shell, extrude, taper, and rib features. Again, we've made this assignment, and then this would be a bonus. We have videos for these as well as the volume quizzes. And then module 5 is working with patterns, shell, mirror, and array features like linear array and circular arrays. And then pattern-driven arrays are bonus work. So back to the main splash page. We're going to be fairly busy once we get into July. The course goes by fairly quickly. So if you have any questions, be sure to instant message. And this completes our weekly Zoom video meeting. I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.